ya Rubirizi district yonka inenyanje ziri kurenga mu 8 ziri kumanya nka Greater Lakes utaireho nebindi by'oburambuzi bindi government negambwa kubeta ataireho buryo obwo kushagika district ege kurebekangwe by'oburambuzi byatunguka. Abantu abatari bamwe na bamwe mu district ege nabagirango by'oburambuzi okuguma biri hansi mu district ni yemwe ndikije aho bwanyuma yo kugira ngo government tetaireho buryo obwo kurebekangu yakorayo enguto nungi utaireho kugira ngo nemyanya y'oburambuzi eriyo government tefireyo kugitungura.
Leaders and we should work together and we make sure that they construct roads, because when we are coming, roads were very poor. The road was very poor, too much dust, network is poor.
Calling upon the leadership of our district together in amalgamation with other leaders all over the country to come and make sure they adventure and they see the beauty of this place and see how best they can try to make the roads and construct them.
Muringo gwo kugezaho kushagika iby'oburambuzi mu district ege aba Creator House Adventures baciri mu kutaho buryo kurebekangu bazore ndijo myanya eby'oburambuzi eriyo mu district ni yemwe iyi government hamwe n'abebembezo mu district ege batateireho mutima.
I encourage and I call upon all leaders, all partners, all non-government organizations to come and join Greater House Adventure with Marcel Private Lecturer to promote, to conserve nature and promote tourism of Rubirizi, because we are still bad off and yet we have the best in the whole country. We are the part of Uganda.
These lakes we see here, they are important to the community, to the surrounding people. As you can see, this lake, there is a cage, meaning people get fish, they get paid, and it acts as food for the community. However, this would also be important to promote tourism in Rubirizi.
Abantu bendangu abembezi ba district ya Rubirizi bateho buryo bwo kurebekangu bayongera sento mbyoburambuzi mu district ege barokora bero mu gukora nguto hoteiriho no kutungura ndijo myanya eri mu district niemwe.
The marketing, we haven't really marketed a lot, but this is what we are doing. It's what we are doing with the help of other people, the people in government, the people, the tourists, the guests who come in. Please come tour, come over, feel free and come and see.
Kurijira person wentebe ya katano aba district ege Sylvester agubashongorera abeby'oburambuzi mu district ege tebafire munonga kurebekangu bakora umurimo gwabo.
I think our tourism is affected by mainly publicity. Now, we are unfortunate that the main hotels which are known are Moya Safari Lodge, which is very expensive.
Ogu nagirango bwahati we n'abarukwebembera nabo district bateireho buryo obwo kurebekangu batandika kumanyisa abanya-Uganda Eby'Oburambuzi byona ebyo mu district ege.
We should do more of the tourism and more of the tax reduction, the park fee, what people are paying, I don't know, it's a bit higher to some people. If they can reduce that and if they can let the domestic tourism also, I don't know, our people have to go in free as long as you have the ID.
Umuhurezi ibetere nature hike, nature walk, nature run bagendere kurwanisa okuhiga nyameshwa zo mu marindiro g'enyameshwa agatari gamwe na gamwe utaireho no kushagika eby'oburambuzi mu district niyemwe. Bakoraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo wa Sky TV agenshonga muri Rubirizi.